Hey guys, welcome back to Therapy. My name is Rosa and let's talk. So yeah, this is going to be a review on this relatively new brand called Shedavi Crowned. I believe I'm pronouncing that correctly. Shedavi. I would pronounce it Shadavi. But yeah, I have used these products about 2 times so far, so I'm just going to be sharing my thoughts on each one and let you guys know if I think it's worth it or not. Alright, so let me quickly go over what they sent me. They sent over a moisturizing shampoo. Alright, so here is a look at the consistency of the shampoo. Not too watery, and as you can see, it lathers up pretty quickly. But I needed a lot of this shampoo, and you might see me pick it up a couple times to, reapply more as needed. This shampoo really was not spreading the way that I would have preferred, or the way that I usually like to see in some of my favorite shampoos. And I'll kind of show that, like, I'm sitting here shampooing, scrubbing, and I'll open up a section and, there's no lather. There's like no buildup being removed or anything. It's just, just wet hair. And I did not like that when it came to this shampoo. I don't feel like it really did an amazing job of cleaning my hair, and my scalp still felt pretty dirty afterwards. So yeah, I'm gonna share my final thoughts about the shampoo in a second, but this is what it looks like after rinsing my hair out. Definitely didn't dry my hair out or anything. I just don't feel like it is the cleanest that I would have liked it. The shampoo is probably more so on the lower end of, like, it was a pretty good product and it was okay. It would be over here with okay. So yeah, that's the shampoo. I could live without it. It wasn't really spectacular. And I'm more so of a clarifying shampoo person. I don't feel like this shampoo is marketed as a clarifying shampoo, and I definitely felt like it left my hair, or at least my scalp, like I still feel like there was buildup and stuff on my scalp even after using the shampoo. So yeah, it wasn't for me. Okay, so now I'm going to show you some clips of the moisturizing conditioner in action. Y'all see the way that detangling brush is gliding through my hair? Definitely because of the conditioner. This conditioner is very thick, but if you make sure that your hair is fully saturated before applying, it's pretty easy to spread around and even easier to detangle your hair with. So I'm just going to show you guys a couple more clips and then we will break down the conditioner. The moisturizing conditioner, I would say, made up for what the shampoo was lacking. And this conditioner is thick, honey. She is a thick. Like, it takes a lot to get this shampoo out. I mean, this conditioner out. Like, she's still not budging. This, there we go. She finally came down. This stuff is thick, okay? But once you make sure that your hair is fully saturated with water, it's fairly easy to work into your hair. And I will say that once I rinsed this conditioner out, I liked the way that it left my hair feeling. It felt really soft. My curls were, trying to pop through and show off a little bit. And I also was able to get a good amount of slip with this. So I was able to detangle with this conditioner in my hair. So that's another plus. I would recommend this conditioner out of all of the products that they sent over for me to try. So yeah, that's my thoughts on the moisturizing conditioner. So here is a look at the gel in action. I've already wet my hair, applied a leave-in conditioner, not Shedavi Crowned brand, but a separate brand, and now I'm going in with that wash and go gel and working that throughout my hair, using my detangling comb to help my curls clump together and start to form that definition. So yeah, I just wanted to include some clips of how the gel works while styling my wash and go. And then I will also include a little clip of my hair once it has fully been styled, and then share my thoughts as far as the gel. These are my wet results. I'm going to come back to you guys, of course, when it dries and share my final thoughts. But so far, there is some curl clumpage. There is some curl clumpage with this gel. This gel seems more like a lightweight, light hold gel when it comes to like wash and goes for me. Like it's not really weighing my hair down. I see a lot of like not frizz. I just know that once this dries up, at least where it's not as defined, once this dries up, I know it's gonna be frizzy. The first time I used this, I did not use it for a wash and go. I used it for a braid out, and they did not send over like a leave-in conditioner or anything, so I mixed the styling gel and I had wet my hair with the revitalizing mist. So I wet my hair with this, or dampened my hair with this, and then I applied like a ton of this because this was like the only styling product that they sent over. And I loved the curls that I had. The curls of that braid out was popping. Let me insert a picture. The curls were popping. The hold of the gel was there. The only thing I did not like when I first used these two together, I was flaking like crazy. It was Flake City over here, and so I was kind of like, I don't know about this product. It's flaking. I don't know. I'm gonna try it again and see what happens, and I'm gonna use it the way that it's supposed to be used. So this time, which is what we have here, a wash and go, and because they didn't send over any other styling products or any other like leave-in, I went in first with my melanin leave-in conditioner just to help keep my hair moisturized throughout the week, because when I just used that gel, I think that was part of the problem. I feel like it dried my hair out really bad and it was flaking a whole bunch, so I didn't want that situation again. I went in with a leave-in first and then I put this on top. That was what it needed. No flaking, no like extreme dryness, and I think, you know, it complemented the gel very well. The gel I have no complaints with at all. This, I would say, is a really good medium. I would put this in a medium. It's not a super strong cold gel like Extreme Wetline or the Style Factor gel. Like those are hardcore, hard cast types of gels, where this one, I would say, it definitely has hold and it has a light cast. That's why I'm kind of putting it in the middle. It's gonna allow your hair to have volume with the definition. So I liked my wash and go with this gel with the leave-in. I don't think I would just use this by itself, but with the leave-in, I liked the curls that it gave me. I like how they have held up throughout the week. So yeah, that one would be my second. I would put the conditioner first, the gel second, and then I don't really use revitalizing sprays. I tried to incorporate it, and since my hair is dry right now, and this is typically what you would use it for. Like you have your wash and go, you use a revitalizing spray like in the morning when you're kind of getting ready to go, to help shake it out and reshape it. So let me spray a little and see. Ooh, I don't like, ooh. Yeah, it doesn't come out like a mist.
Like, it comes out like a glob. It's not like a mist, it's like a glob of product. So it's kind of hard to, like, I would say evenly spritz it through your hair, but let's I'm not a revitalizing spray type of person. I'm really not. So this one didn't really blow my mind. I would put it on the side with the shampoo. It's nothing really special in my opinion. It really didn't do anything. The oil, nothing really spectacular in my opinion about the oil. It's an oil, it has some other good oils in it, like grapeseed oil, olive oil, has tons of different oils, I guess all mixed up into this elixir. I personally, I am a big lover of oils that have like peppermint and tea tree oil in them. Like those are the ones that I gravitate towards, and this one has it, but it's way down on the ingredient list, and you know, I can't really smell it and I can't really feel it when I put it on my scalp. So that's why for me it's not a really, you know, it's not one that I'm gonna be grabbing, you know, when I need an oil. Yeah, but that's for me, that's my opinions, those are my views. Yeah, I mean, that is all of it in a nutshell, I would say. So I don't want to be like, I don't want to be a person who tears, you know, products or brands down, but in this, am I like, after using it 2 times, am I blown away and like, am I gonna be encouraging everyone to go try this brand out? No, it didn't really blow my mind away. Some of the products, like I said, the gel was pretty cool. I would grab that if I wanted more of a medium gel that's not gonna completely weigh my hair down and like it's super heavy, but you know, also isn't just like super light either. I would grab the gel as well as the conditioner. Those would be the ones that I would pick up. And then the other ones, you know, they can stay on the shelf in my opinion. Please give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Have you tried this brand? Have you heard of this brand yet? Let me know down below. I will see you guys in my next video.